guys, there are so many bees. It's an apple farm. It's an apple farm. It's gonna be a lot of bees. TJ's gonna try to ride a pony, but I'm trying to tell Nana, I'm pretty sure Jaden weighs more than 80 pounds. You have to be 80 pounds or lighter. Do it. Anyway. You're scaring me.
You got it? Cause I
Yeah,
can't
you're
get it.
scaring me. Here, I'll do it for you. Got a Chic-fil-A chicken sandwich right here. Really, I think Popeyes is still gonna be better. So hot. Wait, it's so hot. I got a chicken sandwich. Here we go. That's too good to be true. That is like the best tasting chicken sandwich I've ever had in my life, and I love chicken sandwiches. So good. Yo guys, it's so busy. All I'm trying to do is just find my mom, get home, then continue with the vlog. It's gonna be hard, man.